In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a photo in Adobe Scan. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is take your photo. So you can do this from outside the app. Just make sure that your photo has been saved to your gallery you are using on your phone, okay? So whenever you have the photo in your gallery that you want to scan, you want to open up the Adobe Scan app and you want to go to the Home tab and then tap on the Camera Plus button at the bottom middle. Now, over here you have a few options. The one you want to tap on is the second one, which says Create from Photos. When you do this, you have to basically give it access. I'm going to allow it now. There we go. And then over here, it's going to ask you which photo you want to scan. So I have a bunch of different ones here, as you can see. And let's say I want to scan this one over here. So you simply want to tap on your photo. And if you don't see all of them, at the bottom, it says Show All Photos. Tap on that and just find the photo from your gallery. Then whenever you do that, tap on them and tap on the check mark top right. And then when you do so, it's going to start scanning your photo. And as you can see, there we go. It's going to scan the photo and it's going to turn it into a PDF document. Now from here, of course, you can kind of crop it, you can rotate it, you can add filters at the bottom. You can see there's a bunch of different things. And then at the top, you can rename it. So I'm just going to tap on the name of it and I'm going to type in, for example, photo scan like this. And I'm going to tap on rename. Then you want to simply tap on save PDF bottom right. It's going to start saving as a PDF and there we go. It's going to go inside your files and you've successfully scanned a photo in Adobe Scan. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.